Well, hello guys, Mr. G here, and we're going to be doing another video for the organic chemistry. This time we're going to be talking about hydrocarbons, okay? We're going to be talking about hydrocarbons. Last time we learned about different way of representing organic molecules. We learned that it could be represented using molecular formula. We learned about condensed structural formula, semi-structural formula, structural formula. We learned that there could be different type of bonding between carbon atoms, and this is a very important thing for what we are going to be doing now. We learned that there could be here the type of bonding between carbon could be either single, double or triple, and this one guys we are going to be doing it today. So we are going to start by defining a hydrocarbon. And a hydrocarbon is an organic compound that consists of carbon and hydrogen only. The word only is very important. It only has carbon and hydrogen. And we are going to have two main groups in which we can divide the hydrocarbon. And those two groups are saturated and unsaturated. We can divide the hydrocarbon in these two main groups, saturated and unsaturated. Now, what is the saturated hydrocarbon? So, the saturated compound, as you can see here, are compounds that only have single bonds between carbon atoms. Between carbon atoms, only single bond. But the unsaturated compound or hydrocarbon, we're speaking about the hydrocarbons, will have multiple bonds between carbon atoms. Okay, and now between carbon atom multiple bonds, we are talking here about double or triple. Double or triple bond between the carbon atom. Now, those are the first compound we're going to be speaking about, hydrocarbons. The saturated hydrocarbons are going to, in actual fact, be called alkanes. Alkanes. And alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbon because have only single bond between carbons, like this one here. All the bonds between the carbons must be single. Okay? Now, the multiple bonds, we can have two groups there. They could be alkenes or they could be alkynes. Okay, alkenes or alkynes. The alkenes will have double bond between the carbon atoms, at least one double bond, and the alkynes will have at least one triple bond between carbon atoms. And guys, this is all about hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds that consist of carbon and hydrogen only. It could be divided into saturated and unsaturated. The saturated have single bond between carbon atoms only single bonds, and the unsaturated have multiple bonds between carbon atoms, okay, which could be double or triple. The single bond ones are called alkanes. The multiple bonds we have alkenes and we have alkynes. The alkenes have double bond between its atoms, you can see it there, between carbon atoms, and the alkynes have a triple bond between carbon atoms, and you can see it there. And this is all guys, we are done for now. So these are the hydrocarbons. carbon. We are going to be speaking about another topic later on. We're going to be now looking for another families, another functional group, another homology series, not just the hydrocarbon. But for now, this is all. So thank you for watching. I hope it helped. Thumb up, subscribe for the channel. Mr. G here.